Hi guys, today I am doing a Brandless haul. This just came in the mail. I planned on recording it, but I'm sick, so I'm not going to be in this video as in like sitting down with you guys so you can see my face. This is just gonna be a quick haul. I'm sick, I don't feel good, I don't look good. I'm gonna update you guys on the things that I repurchased from Brandless and the things that I like. I am trying a couple new things this time around. First off is this corn and quinoa puffs. These are the jalapeno flavored puffs, and I repurchased these. I really like them. Another repurchase is this tomato basil pasta sauce. This is really good. I use it in spaghettis, enchilada pasta, pizza sauce. It is really good. So got 2 of those. Next are these moisturizing hand soaps. This is in the lemon verbena. I'm not exactly sure how you say it. These soaps are really good. I like them. I even use them to clean my makeup brushes and it works really well. I love these and the scent is really good. I also picked up the essential oil tea tree. Hang on, I'm gonna get it out of the bag. This is one of their newer items. It's the tea tree essential oil. I use this for skincare. Another repurchase is these dark chocolate quinoa bites. I think these are really good. If you're not a dark chocolate person, you probably won't like these. I'm typically not a dark chocolate person, but these ones have grown on me. I really like it. So repurchased these. Then I got these dried mango slices. This is my first time trying these, and I'll see if I like them enough to repurchase them. Picked these up because they looked good. I also picked up these Honeycrisp apple chips, and these are also a new trying product for me, so hopefully we'll like those. I got these calming chews for Millie because when we leave, sometimes she gets a little anxious and a little nervous, or when people come over, she gets a little anxious. So I was gonna try these. This is a new purchase, just to see if it helps her calm down a little bit. This is what it is. It's a utensil holder. We always have an overflow of spoons and spatulas and stuff in our drawers, and I needed something cute to hold the overflow, so I purchased this, and it's really cute and it looks like it is good quality. And yeah, so that is the last thing from this Brandless haul. I also forgot to mention that I repurchased these cotton rounds. They're really good. I like them. Millie is making an appearance. I did forget to mention these, but that is going to be it for this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!